The first image I chose is called Grave Stele of a Little Girl. In this marble relief we see a depiction of a young child holding her doves. This work appealed to me when I saw it because of the detail of the work, how well it was preserved, and I was intrigued by the subject itself, a young girl who was immortalized in stone after her life was cut short. The second image I chose was Lady with an Ermine by Leonardo da Vinci. This painting appealed to me because I have always been a fan of da Vinci's work, and his attention to detail is remarkable. We'll start with the little girl. In this stele we see several basic classic sculpting techniques: a natural body position, equal distribution of weight on the legs, parallel wavy lines in the hair. The subject's human imperfections are purged in favor of radiant flawlessness. The artwork utilizes form, space, and texture to give its subject depth and a lifelike form. Carved from marble, the stele allows viewers to see more depth in a two-dimensional painting. The small amount of negative space that surrounds the grave stele allows the girl to dominate the relief, but also creates a sense of isolation around the girl. Finally, this relief utilizes texture to create stunning realism, from the hair to the facial features to the peplos and the footwear. In the painting Lady with an Ermine, we see artwork that utilizes shape, space, and color to bring the subject to life. Da Vinci uses smooth ovals and contour lines to create softness in his subject, which gives an amazing realism to his composition. The negative space in Da Vinci's piece utilizes the darkness to bring stunning contrast to the flesh tones of both the girl and the Ermine. Da Vinci makes a great use of color in his portrait, using a mix of warm and cool colors to add a strong intensity to the subject. Da Vinci also uses a solid use of color and lines to imply texture in the lady's dress and hair. His use of shading and line in the lady's dress gives the garment texture and realism. In conclusion, we can see that both pieces give us a classic example of artwork from their time period. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to ask any questions throughout this discussion board.